Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to see a story on Instagram without being seen. So I'm going to open my Instagram and I will select the story that I want to watch without being seen. For instance, the third one. So I'm going to go in the second one. This person just has one story, and if I press the screen and I go to the next story, I can watch what is there. This is an ad, so I'm going to go to the next, to the third story, and make the same process. And as you can see, I'm watching right now the story of the next person. If it's a picture, I can watch it completely. But if it's a video, I will have to let it go and watch the video. And if I don't want that person to know it, I will go to their profile and then check the block option. In that way, that person is not going to know that I've seen their story. Remember, the duration of a story is around 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you can unblock that person and everything is going to be normal. Thank you.